Listen, the teachers don't teach it and the pastors don't preach it. It can stimulate your economy or cause it to be weakened. Currently, the currency is being traded as I'm speaking, so wake up and stop sleeping.
With all of that being said, let's talk about Tradera. Tradera was founded in 2019, headquartered right here in the United States. We are a financial services platform, not to mention 100% debt-free. What I love about this company is that it's allowing us to learn a financially profitable skill, leveraging the Forex. Forex stands for foreign exchange. And of course, we are able to participate in this market, a $6.8 trillion market, one of the largest financial markets in the world. Not only is it easily accessible, but it's available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The good news is most of you have actively participated in the Forex market without even knowing from a consumer standpoint. So anytime you've exchanged your currency in country, out of country, you have been participating and getting paid pennies on the dollar. See, the banks and hedge funds, they trade in it already. As a matter of fact, they're trading with your money. So anytime you've placed your money in a bank, guess what? They've put it into the Forex market, they've traded it, they've made a multitude of money, but more importantly, at the end of the year, they have the audacity to cut you a check for 0.01% as a way of simply saying thank you for allowing us to use your money to make money. With Forex, there are 3 basic goals. We are going to educate you on when to buy, when to sell, and when to do absolutely nothing. See, this is all about emotional intelligence. This is about exercising patience, and when you do, it pays off in the long run. Here at Tradera, we provide trading education, trade alerts, live trading sessions, market forecasting, a 2-week syllabus, our trademark 20 pips and dips strategy, not to mention an active trade community. Our trading education platform is 100% online. We provide you with basic to advanced strategies, a step-by-step process, and a syllabus that if you follow it to a T, we can position you to get to the market within 2 weeks. Our trade alerts position you to learn while you earn. That's exciting because again, we send these out in real time. You're able to access them on multiple devices. And in 2019, as a company, we actualized over 12,737 pips. Now, I know that may seem like a foreign language to you, but what I need to tell you is that if you had been actively trading and you were trading at $1 per pip, that would have been over $12,737 of extra income that you could have potentially earned. Again, just by getting educated on the markets. What I love about our live sessions is that they're done every Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These sessions are conducted by master traders, and more importantly, you can bring your questions to get them answered at this time. What I love about this platform as well is that this is where iron sharpens iron. Not to mention, if you're too busy, your schedule may not accommodate it, these calls have been recorded and cataloged for you to go back and take a look at your earliest convenience. Our market forecasts are posted every single Sunday at 5 p.m. by our founders. These break down the major assets in the marketplace, offering you insights, and we do this on a weekly basis. Again, keeping you on the cutting edge of what's happening in the trading world. Now, information is powerful, but the application of information is a game changer. Our 20 pips and dips strategy, I want you to think about it like this. If you've ever had a student loan, a mortgage, a car loan, a personal loan, a lot of you are already paying compounding interest. But what I love about our 20 pips and dips strategy is we show you how to take a trade, maximize it, compound the amount of trades you have so that you can earn even more money faster in the marketplace. And all of this for $99 a month. Listen, you're getting the trading education, access to our trade alerts, live trading sessions, market forecast, a 2-week syllabus, our amazing 20 pips and dips strategy, and access to our trade community. More importantly, you will also have the opportunity to tap into our compensation plan and become an independent business owner for an additional $15 a month. This allows you to build a business, generate residual income, share our educational platform with other people, and upgrade as you become profitable on the trading side of our business. If you're looking for a way to generate some passive residual income, our compensation plan provides just that. So let's look at this compensation plan because I get really excited as a builder, understanding that I have an opportunity to share this platform with other individuals while I master this profitable skill. Our compensation plan goes from founder to legend, and your only personal requirement is to have 3 active clients at all times. Starting with our founder's bonus. When you refer and maintain 3 active clients, Tradera will waive the $99 subscription fee every single month. However, as long as you upgrade to an IBO, which is only $15 a month, you will continue to be in position to gain our amazing education and grow a business. Once you pass founder, the next position is Knight. This position pays out over $125 a week in residual income to the tune of $500 a month. The next position is Noble, paying out $250 on a weekly basis. Our next position is Bishop, paying out over $500 a week. And then there's Duke and Duchess. This is what I refer to as the sweet spot of our compensation plan. It pays out over $1,250 a week. If you do a little math on that position, that's a little bit over $60,000 a year. Now, as you continue to progress, the next position is Prince or Princess. This is paying out over $2,500 a week. King or Queen, $5,000 a week. Emperor or Empress, $12,500 a week. And of course, the ultimate goal of every builder in the industry, Legend. $25,000 a week, $100,000 a month. You're talking about over $1.2 million a year. The sky isn't even the limit here, and of course, everything will be as a result of your own personal efforts. Here's what I've come to understand. Opportunities of a lifetime must be seized during the lifetime of the opportunity. There is no time like the present to join the wealth creators. It is a movement that is spreading around the world at rapid succession. So I'm going to encourage you to quickly get back with the person who invited you to take a look at this video and let them know that you are ready to become a wealth creator. You are ready to create your own personal economic stimulus and learn by far the most profitable skill in today's marketplace.